In the heart of Dallas, amidst the modern skyscrapers and bustling traffic, there's a piece of history still running on rails: the McKinney Avenue Trolley. A charming, fully operational streetcar system that feels like a step back in time. But did you know this trolley almost disappeared forever? And that it played a crucial role in shaping Dallas' public transit system? Stick around for some little-known facts about this historic ride, from its hidden past to its fascinating connections with streetcars worldwide. History of the McKinney Avenue Trolley. Streetcars were once the lifeblood of American cities, and Dallas was no exception. The original McKinney Avenue streetcar service began in 1909, operating electric trolleys that connected neighborhoods to downtown. The system was popular, convenient, and at one point had an extensive network that ran across the city. However, by the 1950s, like many American cities, Dallas removed its streetcars in favor of buses and cars. The rise of the automobile culture, coupled with urban expansion, led to the complete dismantling of the once thriving streetcar network. But one section of the original tracks remained buried under the pavement, waiting to be rediscovered decades later. It uses a fleet of historic streetcars from around the world. You might think these trolleys were all originally from Dallas, but in reality, the fleet includes streetcars from multiple cities and even countries. Some were rescued from New Orleans, while others were originally built in cities as far away as Toronto and even Belgium. Some of the cars are over 100 years old, carefully restored to maintain their original charm while being fitted with modern safety features. Each car has its own story, making every ride a moving history lesson. The streetcars are named after famous Dallas figures. Unlike typical public transit vehicles with generic numbers, McKinney Avenue's trolleys have names. Each one is dedicated to an important figure in Dallas history, from local philanthropists to historical influencers. The names honor those who contributed to the city's development in various ways, from business leaders to civic activists. So next time you ride, check which legend is rolling you down the tracks. It operates 365 days a year, even in extreme weather. Texas weather can be unpredictable, but the McKinney Avenue Trolley keeps running no matter what. Even during extreme heat waves or unexpected snowfall, these vintage streetcars power through, making it one of the most resilient transit systems in the city. The trolleys are equipped with both heating and ventilation to ensure comfortable rides in all seasons, something that wasn't available in the original streetcars over a century ago. It has a secret underground power source. Most streetcars use overhead power lines, but did you know the McKinney Avenue Trolley has a hidden underground power system in certain sections? Unlike traditional systems where wires crisscross above, the trolley is partially powered by a subterranean electric supply. This design helps preserve the city's skyline and keeps historic districts visually appealing. It can be rented for private events. Looking for a unique venue for your next event? The McKinney Avenue Trolley can be rented for private functions. From weddings and corporate events to themed parties, these historic trolleys offer a one-of-a-kind atmosphere while rolling through the heart of Dallas. Imagine having a celebration inside a moving piece of history. The McKinney Avenue Trolley isn't just a charming tourist attraction. It's a living, breathing piece of Dallas history. From its unexpected revival to its global streetcar collection, from its seamless integration with modern transit to its role in citywide celebrations, this trolley is full of surprises. Next time you're in Dallas, take a ride and experience history in motion. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hidden stories from railways around the world. Thanks for watching.